What's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja bringing more money making value to you via YouTube. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and welcome to the Internet Income Ninja channel where we talk about making money online. In today's video, we're going to be featuring a lead as a sales representative at an amazing company called Dan Martell, which is a software as a service academy. Okay, so it's Dan Martell Software as a Service Academy. If you don't know what software as a service is, it's basically software that is licensed out to companies where they use that software to do or perform their businesses or perform functions within that business. Real quickly, I invite you to hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share so you can be in the know each time a video drops on how you can make money online. At the time of this video, it is 9:54 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today is indeed Tuesday, January 11th, 2022. I finally got it right because I've been saying December 2021 for the last week. Right, let's jump into this lead. Stick around and let's get some money. No, this is not location based. You can work from anywhere in the world. You would be 100% remote. So if you are someone who lives in a tiny house on wheels, like a schoolie, or if you have a pickup pulling your tiny house on a, what's that word for that thing that you pull? Trailer, right? Maybe you are a digital nomad. Maybe you like to leave Europe and go to the far reaching lands of Eastern Asia. Bali, Thailand, Jakarta, places like that. Maybe you just like traveling across the globe to Canada, the United States, wherever, Europe. You could be working from anywhere in the world, all right? Now, at Software as a Service Academy, we know a few things for certain, that they run the best coaching program in the world, and you can do this again from anywhere in the world. We need another skills specialist in order to help us help more founders. And third, we're looking for people who thrive working remotely. Are you that person? Do you love tech? Do you love technology? Want to make a big impact on the software as a service founders we serve? If chatting with entrepreneurs and working on a world-class team is something that gets you going every day, then we want to speak with you. Do you like to dig deep to understand the pain points of our clients and their business? Do you have exceptional written and verbal communication skills? Do you like innovation and technology and want to meet some of the most inspiring entrepreneurs on the planet? Do you long for a job with freedom and the option to work from home? Do you? If you do, click the link in the description below or continue watching or listening. Now, a bit about the company. Dan Martell is an award-winning entrepreneur and investor. He founded multiple companies including Clarity and Flowtown. He was also named Canada's top angel investor, having completed over 40 plus investments with amazing companies like Udemy, Intercom, and Unbounce. Our business-to-business software as a service coaching programs were created to help other software businesses grow and succeed. Our team works together to help others make their dreams a reality. Now, a bit more about the lead itself and less about the company. We need a high-performing person to help us scale to new heights and continue to provide incredible support to our world-class clients. This sales role will amplify your career. From taking on new challenges to following the lead of incredible mentors, we promise you will grow and learn and make a difference. If you're a person who is inquisitive by nature and loves interacting, educating, and answering questions with software as a service founders from around the world, then this is a role for you. Now, here's what you need to have to bring to the table. Ability to speak with potential customers, understand their pain points rather, and priorities. Bring value to everyone you speak with. differentiating from the pack, excellent communication, organizational, and analytical skills, developing educational material including presentations, sales scripts, and case studies to be included in the company operations manual, passion for software and technology, experienced with online tools, i.e., Google Docs, Sheets, Trello, Zoom, Calendly, Pipedrive. Extremely comfortable engaging with driven entrepreneurs, delivering value and ensuring prospects are a great fit. If they don't fit, it doesn't make sense. If they don't fit, they're going to complain about the software, leave bad reviews, and I'm not saying everybody's going to be completely perfectly satisfied, but if they are an absolutely mismatch, it doesn't make sense. All right? Experience working with a team across multiple disciplines and experience in sales or customer service or communication roles are preferred. So what you'll do in this role, you will qualify leads. So it's like a screening process. Reach out to warm prospects. You'll sell by chat. You'll manage sales pipeline and proactively move prospects forward. Documenting systems for the next generation of danmartell.com junior salespeople. Provide timely feedback to marketing department around continually improving the quality of leads. You'll complete prospecting of clients to hand off to sales specialists. You contribute to quarterly company revenue goals, meet sales qualified leads or objectives, field calls for the Growth Accelerator program. Now, if you like what you see, and if you're thinking this is totally me, then be sure to apply below, right here, this button, this one, right here. Okay? Okay. So to ensure that you've read the whole ad, please sneak the word mountain somewhere in your application. So this is something that they do to screen people out. If you do not have the word mountain in the application, then they're automatically going to disqualify you because it means that you didn't follow instructions. And they want people who know how to follow instructions. If you don't know how to follow instructions, it doesn't make sense you're going to work there, because if they ask you to do something, you're just going to go ahead and do what you want to do, not what they want done. So be sure to include the word mountain somewhere in your application in order to land this role. Okay? Okay. We can't wait to meet you. Please check out the How We Hire section on our website to see what the steps are for our hiring process. But let me tell you right now, the first step is actually to just press that button. See? It says press. Press that button. Alright? Press the button, follow the steps. Be all you can be the best you can be. Impress these people. And check the link in the description that says try Canva. Canva is free software, a free website that teaches people how, not teaches people, it has a bunch of templates that you can use to create the perfect resume for the perfect job. That helps you create the perfect cover letter for the perfect job. That teaches you how to do all these amazing visual stuff like cards, like TikTok posts, Instagram posts, journals, planners. You could do t-shirts, buttons, anything visual, graphic. You can create that in Canva for free. So guys, thanks so much for watching. It's been a pleasure bringing this lead to you. Don't let it go to waste. Use it. And if you don't want to use it, share it with someone who could use something as valuable as a lead to an online income stream. Thanks again so much for watching. Check out the links in the description below, all of them. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay safe. Peace.